All right, so this is going over question number 2 from section 3.2, day 1. It's kind of a weird one where we're going skiing, and they kind of got a lot of numbers here. Some of them you actually don't end up using in the problem. Big thing to point out is X and Y are going to be vans and sedans. So I'm actually going to use S and V in this question, but if you want to use X and Y, that would work just fine too. So there's 2 equations. One involves the people, and all 31 people are going to be in these cars. So when it says 5 people fit in, 5 people fit in the sedan and 7 fit in the van, that's part of the 31. So one of the equations is 5 people per sedan plus 7 per van has to total our 31 people. All right, so that's one equation. And then the other one is they have, I think, 5 chaperones. That means you can only have 5 vehicles. So the other equation is going to be S plus V equals 5. All right, and from there, then you just solve the system. And so you can either get the S's or the V's to eliminate. I would probably, I mean, it doesn't really matter how you do it, but I would probably take this second equation times -5. So the first one I'm going to keep the same, 5s plus 7v equals 31. And then the second one we times -5 would be -5s minus 5v and -25. And now we're on our way. Now when we add them together, the sedans will cancel out. So we'll have 2 vans equals 6 people, whatever, and when we divide by 2, that means there must be 3 vans. Right, and then the rest we can almost do mentally. If there's 3 vans and 5 vehicles total, right, then there must be 2 sedans. And I guess if you want to plug it in, you can plug in 3 for V, but you solve that and get 2 for the sedans. All right, that's it. Hopefully that helps.